So today I'm going to try to make Captain Marvel's helmet. My hair is a lot longer than Carol's, so it doesn't do the mohawk thing that well. It just kind of comes over and hangs over the side, but you know, you could also do just some fake hair down the crest to give it the mohawk thing, but I just use my real hair so it kind of trails down. And just wanted to send a quick thank you out to all of you who checked out my fantasy novel trailer last week and shared it around and got a copy. If you're reading it, I hope you're enjoying it. And to those of you who ordered a signed copy, I'm still waiting on my shipment from the printer to get here, but as soon as it does, I will sign those and send those out. So thank you everyone for your support, and now let's make a helmet. So I do have a template for this My Patterns Vault where it's pretty easy to draw freehand, but on mine I accidentally made the gap too big, so I had to glue some extra pieces on, but in the template it's smaller. And so then you just want to take a pair of scissors and cut some long triangles, somewhere around 1.5 inches to 2 inches long, not very wide, just really thin little sliver triangles. You want to cut those all the way down the helmet, the side pieces there. And then you just want to take a little bit of hot glue and put it on each side of the triangles and glue those together. You'll do that all the way down, make it a rounded surface. Again, this isn't the greatest helmet design, but it's an easy way to do it. And so then cut out the side pieces and make sure you transfer the little mark from the pattern onto the foam, because that's where you'll know where the edge of it is. So put a little hot glue on the edge of the helmet, and that little mark should go right at the bottom of the front edge of the helmet. And then just glue it all the way around the helmet on both sides so that your helmet ends up with sides. And then take the front piece with the eyes and the nose, and just hot glue that at the nose and to the insides of the helmet. Just like that. It's really flat, but I couldn't figure out how to make a nose curve. And so then you just want to cut 2 curved pieces of foam. I don't have these in the pattern because it's going to be unique to every helmet, because each one's going to be slightly different shaped. So just cut 2 curved pieces of foam, and you'll glue those one on either side of the opening to make the crest, and then a little square across the front and the back so the hair can come out the top. And you can just glue some wig hair at the top if you want the mohawk to stick straight up, if you don't want it to trail down the way mine did. So then you just want to paint the whole thing red. And then take a piece of red ribbon, small enough that the bottom edges of the helmet get pulled in a little bit, and just put some sticky back velcro on either side of it. And then put the corresponding pieces of velcro on the inside of the helmet, 1 piece on each side where the little points stick down. And then that piece of ribbon can just velcro right in on each side to hold the helmet on your head. Man, never fails. Get in the tub and somebody needs you to save the world.